Okay, so how to do that next slide of the project. All right, so it's not going to require Excel or something. It's just going to require me to find my calculator. All right, so I've asked two numbers questions, and I've already sort of done the part with the finding the mean and the standard deviation. So you take one of your lists of numbers, all 30 some odd of them. I'm saying I had 32. If it was just 30, that's fine. Okay, you know, you need n to be greater than or equal to 30. So I take my entire list, all 32 of them, or 30 of them in your case, and I put them into the calculator. I go into like list one, and I make a list, and then I do one variable stats, and then I write down those numbers right there. Okay, but this slide is supposed to have 3 numbers on it. So I'm making a slide, and the slide, I'm just going to type the mean age was 28.1 with a standard deviation of 3.2. You might want to write out those words instead of shorthanding them that way. And a margin of error of all right, and then I got to get out my calculator. And you know you're going to use Z because you got more than 30. Okay, you can use S instead of sigma because you sure don't have sigma. All right, so stat tests Z interval. Sigma is 3.2. X bar is 28.1. N is 32. Sea level, oh, no one gave me sea level. Anytime no one gives you sea level, use 0.95 because it's the industry standard. And calculate. And then I'm just going to do this over here. People never see this. Whenever you see you're at a presentation, no one ever shows you an interval. So I'm just going to do this quick calculation over here. 26.991, 29.209. Okay, and then I do my big minus little over here. 29.209 minus 26.991 divided by 2. 1.109. I'll round that to 1.1. Okay, so then I go back to my slide and I write 1.1 years. Okay, this was the average, the mean age. So, all right. So I make one slide with that. All the slide, you can put all the clip art stuff you want on it. But the slide it doesn't have all this stuff over here. It just has the words over here with the answers that you got. Then I do the same thing, another slide, do the same thing with my other one. So stat test Z interval. Sigma is 1.1. X bar is 4.8. N is 32, sea level is 0.95. So mean number of pizzas or whatever you've done was 4.8, standard deviation of 1.1, error of plus or minus. All right, now over here, my calculator, I got 4.4189. 5.1811. Okay, big minus little divide by 2. .38. Said 0.3811, I'll just call it 0.38. Okay, so that's what the next part of the project is. You make 2 slides where you've done all that work.